and improper. Okay? So when you say proper fraction, it is less than 1. Okay? Meaning to say, it is less than 1, the value of the fraction is less than 1. So the improper fraction now, it is what? It is more than 1. To make it easy, proper fraction is actually equal to less than 1 by 1. Improper, it should be greater than 1. One good example here is actually, one good example here is numerator over denominator bt equal to, for example, 1/2. What is the answer? When you say 1/2, when you divide 1/2, it will come to be 0.5. Question is, what kind of common fraction is this? Proper or improper? And this is proper fraction because it has a value of 0.5 less than 1. Okay? So, the other one, numerator and denominator again. 3 over 2. What is the answer of 3 over 2? 1.5. This is improper fraction. Okay? Sira ang blackboard natin, di ba? Sinira ng teacher. Improper fraction because it is greater than 1. The proper, it is less than 1. So that is the fraction. Okay? Fraction is actually contains numerator and denominator. If it is less than 1, proper, greater than 1, it is improper. Diba? Sa mga estudyante, meron din sinasabi ng polite students and impolite. Bad and good. Kasi dito sa mundo, dalawa lang ang klase ng tao. Bad and good, rich and poor. Wala namang sinabi mo average lang kanina. Kung magkapera ka, magka-single ka, you will have your vehicle, hindi lang sabihin average. Hindi ka man mayaman. Kasi ang mayaman, magkapera ka ng 1,000,000, hindi na masabi mayaman kasi hindi naman ka. Pero wala pa rin. Okay? So these are the fractions. So, when you say simplify, simplify. Okay, simplify the combine fraction. So when you combine something, fractions, either proper or improper, what do you do? For example, you have 1/2 plus 3/2. Simplify meaning to say, you have to make the two fractions into single fraction and then very simplified into its lowest term. Okay? So for example, this one, 1/2 plus 3/2. The law of mathematics, when you have the same denominator, yung sa baba, you only add the numerator and then you copy only the denominator. So you add 1 plus 3 is 4. You copy only the denominator because they have the same value. So 2. Simplify more. What is 4 over 2? This is 2. So this is now the answer of the simplified 1/2 plus